ब्रेड में नींबू और नमक मिला हुआ नहीं है। बहुत भूख लगा।
ब्लैक लोकस्ट, ठीक है, और ये ही बहुत खूबसूरत है ये ब्लैक लोकस्ट। नेहा ही बोली थी कि आने के लिए यहाँ पर। क्या सुंदर जगह है बताइए, बेहद खूबसूरत। वी आर एट लोकस्ट फार्म ब्रीवरी, ब्यूटीफुल। We are at Black Locust in Freeland, Maryland. So they have a truck as well. The fries was amazing, a lot of salt but still amazing. Oh, they have solar panels on the top, so this is good. So we are done with Big Locust. This is so beautiful. This is so beautiful. मेरे लिए भी छोड़ देना।
कोई बताई थी
This is चाकुन बिरयानी, एकदम स्मोकी है। हम तक नहीं खा पाएंगे। So this is the Independence Hall. So my sister is inside for the Liberty Bell, but I could not make it. Like I had to park my car. But like this is the Independence Hall. This is where they house the Liberty Bell. This is the lawn. A lot of starlings. And that is the National Constitution Center is right over there. And that is the visitor center. So, and this is, I think this is both a World Heritage Site, and this is also protected under by NPS. So let me see. So the Independence Hall also closes at 5, so we'll not be able to make it, but we can see it from outside. We got to hear the Centennial Bell. Yes, Centennial Bell hai. This has been ringing. This rings every hour since. This is the Independence Hall. This is where the Declaration of Independence was signed, and that is the Centennial Bell. Centennial Bell. No, not Saranic. Hello. So everybody say hello.
Hello.
Everybody say hello. I am also an influencer. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. ये भी ले लेते हैं. Dislike and comment. Dislike and comment. नेहा यहाँ
गाड़ी के पास खड़ा, हम लोग उसके इर्द-गिर्द रहेंगे।
Head towards South 4th Street.
ये लिबर्टी बेल का प्रोटोटाइप है क्या?
So this is Zahav. This is a very famous Israeli restaurant, and it's in the Michelin Guide. We are not dining in today. We are in a rush, but like someday for sure. This building looks cool. At the riverfront, this is the memorial to Christopher Columbus. It's pretty quiet today, and the hammocks are not here. So usually they have hammocks over here, but it's not, because probably they will add it after. Neha, it's all quiet today. Probably it's lively after Memorial Day. सब तो पूरा बंद है. So this one is a museum, and you can dine in over that. Mosu. You have to take reservation for that. They have a submarine over here. And Moshulu. There's a torpedo. This is Becuna. Local 8 industrial workers of the world. So this is closed right now, except for some starlings, mallard, and sparrows and mockingbird. There's nothing. Independence History. नहीं, हम तो दिखाएंगे. Maxfield Parish. This is Independence Square and Independence. This is Mahadesh Coffee Roasters. It's about to close, so there's no point going now. To Independence Garden, Independence Beer Garden. to the same place. This is probably the fourth time I'm here.
और श्योर इसके रेटिंग 4.5 से अच्छा ज़्यादा मंगवाए थे फ्राइड चिकन था ये फ्राइड चिकन अंदर है
I think sandwich fried chicken ka. This is pork tacos, this is chicken, fried chicken sandwich, and this is hummus. Hummus. Like
आप भी अपने हस्बैंड से बंदे हैं क्यों नहीं पी रही है ये मैं नहीं पी रही मैंने छोड़ दी
1, 2, 3, go. Go Corona, Corona, go Corona. Bottoms, you understand what the meaning of bottoms up, right? Like you. We are done. We had a huge bill. $200 at the beer garden. Can you imagine? But it's fine. It's Philly. And again, we are back to the same place. We have been to Philly so many times, but every time we are back to this fucking place. Every time. No more beer gardens. No more Independence Beer Garden. I'm observing. I'm observing. I'm observing. I'm observing. I would jump in the Delaware River. Hi, Bunny. हम नेहा को बता चुके हैं.
और मैं आपके साथ पूरा रहूंगी कि मैं तो पूछने की वाली थी कि आपके लड़के
Bye bye, Philly. The next time we are in the city, we promise to explore some more of you. Because like this is like every time we come, we end up going to the same place. Why? Because every time we come, we are bringing somebody as tourists. So we take them to the places which we know already. But like we'll try to explore the city more. Like just me and Neha. We'll try to do that. Looks huge, man, and so beautiful.
आप ये को ठोक सकते हैं विवेक
That lady has gone bonkers. She's literally standing in the middle of the road,
यार मुझे तो डर लगता
and she's I don't know what she's
वो
doing.
एकदम तेज गाड़ी लेके आएगा कैसे क्यों खड़ी है
Hosting the FIFA World Cup, the Philadelphia Eagles का stadium. ये FIFA World Cup host कर रही है स्टेडियम.
मैंने उनके साथ बात किया मैं उनके
क्या बताएंगे तो
नहीं बोलो ना तुमको.
नव्या योर फ्रेंड आद्या हैज अ न्यू फ्रेंड
हाँ
पहले नदी पे वो बर्तन वर्तन लोग मांजने जाते थे। तो हम
Wilson Point Park.
अब खींचती और हम तो पूरा बीच में चले गए और पर
We are at Carson's Creek side, just by the creek. Let's see how it is. So they have something called Taylor's Treats Desserts. Let's see if is it a different shop? Carson's Market. Let's see. We'll figure it out. Oh, there's a mallard over there. Just one single mallard. Any other birds? We'll figure it out.
Wow, Daddy!
So beautiful.
Such a great sunny day.
It is a great sunny day, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna go out.
So they have won various awards. So I love a corridor like this where it's world's best volunteer and a whole lot of certificates. This is beautiful. Really like this. I did not see this the first time. So like they have posters like this throughout. Can you make it? Don't even think about how much you have to go to the bathroom. Relief is just minutes away. Not too much further. Better hurry. You really are going in the right direction. Should have started hold it. It's just a hop, skip and jump away. Sometimes a little distraction helps. Seriously, almost there. Oh, come on, you almost have it. Oops, it's gonna be a close one. This is funny. And they have this. Bigfoot. For lunch, but these guys are taking pictures over here. Are you guys not hungry? Yeah, like you were hungry 5 minutes ago, and now you want to take pictures? You can take pictures later. Navya, I told you to put in your jacket nicely. It's cold.
अभी हम बोले तो जो बोले है ना 20 है।
They got a pizza.
It's a margarita.
बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल लग रहा है।
It's very hot.
And the other will be onion rings like that.
Okay.
This is Thai food. मैं इसका मुंह में डालो।
So this is from Flying Dog Raging Beige IPA. And I think this is in Frederick, but somebody from Utica bought this brewery. It's one of the largest in the US. I have yet to visit that one in Frederick. Probably someday I will. Trivia, I think Frederick has the most number of breweries in Maryland, county-wise.
अब उसको छोड़ दो, तुम जाओ अपने जगह।
I will share everybody's food. I'll taste everybody's food.
तुमने बोला नहीं था शायद।
उसको पता नहीं, वो confused हो गई, बोली कि तुमने दिया नहीं था order. बोल दिया है?
I had peanut.
Chips. I want chips.
चिप्स कहाँ है? तो चिप्स
Cream पे नहीं होगा, cream पे नहीं होगा. This is the soft shell crab, and you can see this is the whole crab. It's fried over with the shell. It's a sandwich. Let's see how it is. It's the first time I'm trying. There's one more. This is so beautiful, man. This restaurant is 5 out of 5. Carson's Creekside Restaurant and Lounge, a must visit. Perfect service. The food was amazing. A must visit. Loved it. This is such a beautiful place, man. Hi Navya.
Hey, David.
Do you like this? Do you like this place? So this is Miss Twist.
She's so good. I'm excited.
Mama,
Mommy, look.
So this is pizza dough. We will just go to Rocky Park for some while and then off to home. July. At John Fenwick. We are at Newark Airport. We are done. We're just leaving for Raj's place. Bye bye Newark. I know, I can see it. See the Holland Tunnel right in front of us.
What? What?
He's flabbergasted. Maybe don't disturb them. It's bad manners. वाह, तो देखने से तो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है ये. कितना लोग के लिए बनाई है मेहुल? How many people? एक ही बंदा काफी है. There's a movie, right, of Gurmeet Rahman Singh. Oh my God, this looks delicious. Back to square one.
देखो देखो
Again back to New York City. Again. Navya, say hello.
Hello. We are in New York.
This is technically New Jersey, Jersey City,
Guys, do you
but we can
like
see New York from here.
वो क्या करते हैं
Sleeping, skating, sleeping, and babies. I saw babies. So many caboodlers. I see.
बाय
Trenton लिखा हुआ है. This is Delaware River and we are crossing from New Jersey to Pennsylvania.
What?
What? Just look at this. We are in Philly. There's a traffic jam, so we have to go inside. Area इस type से है. Right, people are matlab out and about, but like it doesn't look like a very nice area. I'll read about it, but I'm sure it's a very bad area. We're back at this restaurant after 5 years. This was one of the first Indian restaurants where we had come in 2021 when we moved to Harford County. Rebels, starting South Paros, the usual Shenang. Restaurant's decor is totally changed. पूरा restaurant का decor change हो गया. Say hello.
Hello.
बहुत टाइम से हम लोग अमेरिकन खा के परेशान हैं. इंडियन है टिक्का मसाला. टूट पड़ो. And this weekend, amazing weekends to come to an end, and it's back to square one. So we had an amazing family time.
Enjoy square in here.
So like and subscribe and enjoy. Have an amazing day. This is Susquehanna River. The sun is setting. ये पुलास्की हाईवे का ब्रिज है. Perfect. I'm glad you. Island on Susquehanna. Because the river is again there. Yes. This is an island. And we are back to our county, Harford
I
County.
can see